Hi and welcome to a new video. When the automatic software update is activated, the update can only be processed if your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network, plugged into a power source, and lastly when it is idle, typically at nights when you're actively not using it. But what if these three conditions are met but the update still doesn't work properly? In this video, I will recommend a few solutions to fix this issue on your iPhone. Let's go! To ensure a successful iOS update, make sure you've got enough storage space on your device. To check, open Settings, navigate to General, and go to the iPhone storage menu. If you're low on storage, free up space on your device. The list of apps below shows how much space each one uses so you can see which apps you need to free up the most. For example, let's free up space by deleting some media files saved in the Photos app. As an additional tip, go to Settings, navigate to the Photos configuration page, and make sure that Optimize iPhone Storage is activated. This configuration automatically replaces your photos and videos with smaller device-sized versions when your iPhone runs out of space. Don't worry, the full resolution version stays in your iCloud storage. Usually, if you are experiencing glitches or errors with your iPhone, the common solution is to perform a force restart. Keep in mind, though, that the specific combination of keys required to do this may vary depending on the model of iPhone you have. For iPhones with Face ID such as iPhone X, iPhone 11, or any newer model, do the following steps. The following procedure also applies for iPhone 8 and iPhone SE. Press and quickly release the volume up and volume down buttons respectively. Then press and hold the side button. Once the Apple logo appears, release the side button and wait for your iPhone to restart. On the other hand, the process is slightly different on the iPhone 7. In this case, you need to press and hold both the volume down and side buttons simultaneously. Continue holding both buttons until the Apple logo appears on the screen. For those with an iPhone 6s or earlier, press and hold both the sleep and home buttons at the same time. Keep holding both buttons and release them when the Apple logo appears. If the automatic update is still not working properly, you can manually update your iOS version instead. To check for a new iOS version, open Settings on your iPhone. Navigate to General and click on Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Afterwards, your iPhone should restart automatically with the new iOS version installed. Also bear in mind, some older iPhone models are not able to install the latest software updates. To check if your device is compatible, click the tag in the upper right corner. In case that doesn't work, manually update your iOS using iTunes or a Finder as a last resort. If you're on a Windows computer, you can download iTunes from the Microsoft Store for free. Mac users can use the pre-installed Finder application. Make sure you use an original or an MFI certified cable to connect your iPhone to your computer. This is important to ensure that data can be transferred. To check if your iPhone is successfully connected, you should see this phone icon at the top of iTunes toolbar. If you are on a Mac, you should see it under Locations in your Finder. Then simply click the Update button to update your iPhone to the latest software. And that's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.